Many companies waste time and resources because their teams can't find the files they need. One reason, poor document management. Only 13% of organizations feel confident using their data effectively. According to Michael Korkalakous, CEO of NENS, properly implemented, SharePoint centralizes your files and integrates with Microsoft 365 for seamless, real-time collaboration. With Microsoft 365 Copilot, you can streamline workflows, automate tasks, and gain intelligent insights, making file management even more effective. SharePoint offers powerful tools, version control, check-in and check-out, document templates, and metadata tagging that can turn file chaos into structure. Libraries and permissions help teams access what they need when they need it. Automation with Power Automate cuts manual work. Retention policies help you avoid clutter and stay compliant. If your team's digging through shared drives and wasting hours searching, it's time to rethink your approach. Index large libraries, apply information rights management, and set up alerts for changes. Review and update your structure often to keep it aligned with your business. Copilot takes it further. It summarizes documents, helps you search using plain language, and generates new content from templates. It even builds smarter workflows by spotting repeatable tasks. You can read the full article now on our website, and if this was helpful, don't forget to add it to your playlist.